Imagine a vehicle so unique, it makes cars look ordinary and motorbikes seem outdated. Picture this, a sleek, futuristic machine gliding down the road, part motorcycle, part camper, fully electric, and totally self-sufficient. Welcome to the wild future of travel, the 2026 Electric Camper Tricycle RV. And trust me, once you see what it can do, you'll never look at road trips the same way again. From the moment this beast rolls up, you're hit with its sci-fi vibe. The body? Aerospace-grade aluminum blended with carbon fiber, designed not just for durability but aerodynamics too. It's like something out of a movie, sharp angles, panoramic smart glass windows that tint automatically with the sun, and wheels that glow faintly in the dark. But this isn't just about looks. It's about living the future. Hop in and everything changes. The cockpit feels like a spaceship. A full digital dashboard wraps around the rider, syncing to your smartwatch and voice commands. You don't press buttons here, you talk to it. Start engine. Done. Map the fastest scenic route to the coast. Already calculating. The handlebars adjust automatically to your riding posture, and the smart suspension adapts to terrain on the fly, smooth city roads or bumpy mountain trails. And then there's the battery, the heart of this electric marvel. Built with next-gen solid-state tech, it gives you up to 600 miles of range on a single charge. That's not a typo. 600 miles. And it supports ultra-fast charging. Plug in at a superstation and you're 80% full in under 20 minutes. Even better, it has solar panels that unfold when parked. On a sunny day, you can literally power your journey straight from the sky. Now, let's talk about the part that makes jaws drop, the transformation. With one tap on the touchscreen or a voice command, the rear of the tricycle folds out, revealing a mini camper that feels straight out of the future. We're talking an extendable sleeping pod with a memory foam mattress, ambient LED lighting, and even climate control. You can be in the middle of the desert or on a snowy cliffside, it adjusts to keep you perfectly cozy. The kitchenette? Oh yes, it's got one. A fold-out induction stove, a mini fridge, and even a compact espresso machine. Everything runs on clean electric power. There's a built-in 30-liter water tank with filtration, so you can even refill from a stream if you're off-grid. And when night falls, the camper lights up like a tiny smart home, controlled by your voice or phone. Netflix on a retractable OLED screen? Done. Chill mode with music and aromatherapy mist? Also, done. It's not just comfort. It's also safety. It's packed with AI-assisted driving aids, obstacle detection, blind spot warnings, 360-degree cameras, and even an emergency stabilization system. If you start to tip or skid, it instantly corrects your position. Rain, snow, or gravel, this trike has your back. What's more incredible? You don't need a special license. It's designed for anyone with a basic motorbike license, but handles more like a three-wheeled car. Super stable, super smart. And it's eco-conscious too, made with 85% recyclable materials. No emissions, no noise, just the soft hum of the electric motor and the wind in your face. It's more than a ride. It's a mobile lifestyle. Digital nomads, solo adventurers, weekend warriors, this thing was made for you.